Fortnite has just released a new setting option to enhance the performance. But if your PC sucks, then it sucks. None of these settings or tweaks can make a magic and gives you infinite FPS gain. It can only optimize your game and provide a smoother experience. Before comparing any CPU or GPU from Intel to AMD or NVIDIA, please consider the core clock speed, wattage used, and temperature. Let's check each mode one by one and find out if there is any major performance difference. There was no changes made in PC setting during changing the game mode, and I didn't restart my PC a single time. For saving your time, I have provided direct conclusion in starting of each gameplay. For now, MSI Afterburner doesn't show my CPU core speed, but it always works at 4.9 to 5.1 GHz, but it can goes up to 5.5 GHz. I can overclock it, but my Asrock motherboard BIOS is not stable, so I am avoiding such things to protect my PC. You can use this mode if your PC meets the basic requirements, and if you always play for max kills in tournaments, and you don't want a single lag or FPS drop during the gameplay. Your CPU must run at its max clock speed to provide you best performance. For that, you will have to overclock your motherboard and CPU, and provide a decent cooling. You only have to use this mode if your PC is little old like as Intel i7 9th Gen and your GPU belongs to GTX 10 series. I always use this mode because sometime I have to change my graphics settings and I don't want to restart my PC every time. And I don't care about few FPS difference.